So, very good evening, everyone. Welcome back, my dear students. As I promised with you that I will be live. Okay. So now I hope so. I'm live for discussing the topic as I discussed with you. Visible clearly? I hope so. Yes. So, my dear, I'm just live for solving the Mercer Mettl question as I promised with you earlier. Chalo, let's begin, my dear. This is the first question without wasting. Please take the copy pen properly. Okay. Now the first question which is already asked in the Mercer Mettl question paper. Okay, so tomorrow is your Mercer Mettl exam. So as I promised with you, memory based question I will discuss with you earlier. So let's begin. So now this is the first question, my dear students. First question is 20% of books in a library are novel, and of the remaining 60% are on science fiction, while the remaining of the book are on poetry. My dear students, everything in this body is 100%. Means everything is 100%. Yeah, of course, everything is 100%. Out of the 100%, 20% books, 20% books on novel, dear. So 20% is novel. So my dear, as per the common sense, how much remaining will be there? If novel is 20%, my dear, so remaining is 80%. Am I right or not? Out of the 100, 20 part is novel, so 80 part is remaining. So remaining means 60% of the remaining is science. So 60% of this number. Guys, if I ask 80 multiple of 60% is asking, so how much will be there? You will say, sir, 48. Yes or no? Means 48 part is for the science word here, science. So how much is remaining from here? Common sense, if 48 is there, dear, so how much is there? 32. Am I right or not? 32. Means 32 is other part, which is called the poetry. So now, dear, this is the poetry part. Yes or no? So guys, poetry is 32. So out of the 100, 32 is how much percent? 32%. So answer is 32%. Getting my point here? I'm just saying that 100% everything out of the 100%, 20% book in the library are novel, so 20% novel. Now remaining is how much, dear? This is the remaining part. Never try to observe that this is the value. Remaining is how much? 80%. So out of the 80%, 60 part, 60%. So 60 multiple of 80 by 100, this is the 48. So 48 is the science. So remaining is 32. So 32 is poetry. And now the 32 is how much percent of 100 is 32%. Any problem? No problem. Okay. Now second one. This is the question, my dear. Mr. Brown divided his money between the Kate and Bjorn in the ratio of 5 to 3. So first part is Kate and second is the Bjorn. So now 5 and 3 ratio is given my question in question here. If the Van got the smaller amount of 102, means V value is given here 102, means 3 samosa cost is given 302. So one piece is how much, dear? If 3 piece is 102, so one piece is how much? Just 102 will divide by the 3. How much part? 3 3 ja 9 and 3 4 ja means 34 part. Means one piece value is 34 rupees. What about the 5 piece, dear? So means 5 multiple of 34 will be there. How much? Of course, this is the 170. So now 170 is the cat value are there. So now C option is there. Any problem? I hope so. No problem are there. Getting my point here. I'm saying the ratio is given 5 is to 3. 3 piece is given 102. So 1 piece is 34 rupees. So 5 piece is how much? Thus multiply 34 multiple of 5. Answer is 170 is the answer. A option. Okay. Next. Number 3. This is the question, my dear. Hope so I'm clearly audible to you. Without wasting time, you can just give the message whenever you see the question paper or this video. Okay. If the average of a number, acha guys, average formula. This is the question. So I'm just giving the formula. Okay. Now first, average. So what is the meaning of average? Average means sum of all observation, sum of all by total number. This is the formula, my dear. Average. General formula, my dear. And now what is the question? Now we will read the question. Now we have the number as a. First is a, second is b, then c, then d, then e. Whose average is what, dear? M. Means the number is a, b, c, d, e. Whose average is what, dear? M. Yes. In this question, if the average of the number is 2a plus 1, 2b plus 1, 2c plus 1, 2d plus 1, 2e plus 1. So what will be the next average? What will be the new average? It's asking. You can use your mind also. You can try yourself and you can give the answer. So now I'm erasing the formula because it's just disturbing the question. So just I erase the formula because only see the question. Okay, so my dear students, just I'm giving the simple word. Whenever the average, suppose now I have the A and B and C, and my number is suppose 3 rupees. Okay, and each number, each elements of the each elements. Suppose A plus 1 is there. I'm just teaching you, my dear. I'm not solving question. Second, B plus 1, same. C plus 1, I'm doing. So guys, average will also increase by the same number. Means now answer is 4. Students, I'm not giving the answer. I'm teaching you what is the logic behind the question. Means I'm adding a simple number by A, by A, by A. So average will also increase by the same pattern. Okay. So now back with the question. What we are doing here in simple A, what we are doing 2A plus 1 means what we are doing here multiply then plus 1 same 2B plus 1 then same here 2C plus 1, am I right or not? Then same 2D plus 1 same 2E plus 1. So guys, common sense, you're engineer, so what we will do here 2M plus 1, am I right or not here? Because whatever you are doing with the element of the average, we will do the same with the average also. If the common number are there, means addition, subtraction, multiplication or division will apply on the average numbers, means 2M plus 1 will be the answer. Getting? Why? Because 2A plus 1 means we are just adding continue number, means constant number with the every elements. So same average will also multiply and addition of the number 2M plus 1. This is the answer. Okay, next. Question number 4, hope so clearly visible to you. You can also think, my dear, maybe. Now this is the question. The cost price of an item was C rupees. It was sold at the price of equal to, means the CP of the product is given here what C. Now SP of the product is given C into C percent. C percent means, guys, C percent means percentage value is always for 1 by 100. I hope so you getting. Means whenever the I of a person in question is given here, I of a person, this value is always 1 by 100. Am I right? Yes or no? Whenever the percentage, if you see in question, this is the value 1 by 100. So guys, the question, the cost price of the value is given CP, and the sold at the price equal to the C percent of its cost, resulting in a profit. Yeah, it's the C. Can I say this value is become C square by 100? After solving the C into C by 100, then it's become C square by 100. Can I say this C by 10? Yes or no? C by 10. So guys, after looking this value, if you're just going to compare, am I right? When C equals sine 10, can I say this value will be also like that? Yes or no? How? Like C square by 100 greater than or equal to C. So one C is cancelled, my dear. So 10 value. So C greater than always 10. This is the answer. So now this is the D option will be the right answer this question. Okay, little bit different type of the question, my dear. This is the value. Okay, next one. Now 5 number, this question is based on the time. Yeah, of course, time distance, sorry, time and work question. So let's begin. An amount of work can be completed by 24 man working 8 hours in a day and 10 days. Okay, so guys, before going to solve this question, some formulas are there, so I'm giving you m1 d1, I hope it's already known, t1 h1 by w1, same m2 t2 t2 S2 by W2. This is the formula, my dear. So remember, where M is man number 1, D is day, T is time, H is hour, W1 is the work. So let's begin. Just put the value in here. The amount of work can be completed by 24 man. So first series is what here? M is given 24 man. Okay. And how much are they are taking? 8 hour. How much time they are taking? 10 days. So 10 days. Any problem? Day time is given 10, hour is given 8, man is given here, and total work is suppose 1. I'm assuming that. Now next step, with the different pencil color I'm taking. Now how many men means asking how many men with same efficiency, means question mark multiple, required to complete same work in 6 days. Days is how many? 6 days in 10 hour, means every day I'm just doing the 10 hour and the same work are there. So can we find the question mark? This is the question mark, my dear. This is the question mark. Okay, this is the question mark. Guys, question mark means X, I'm just assuming. Maybe you guys will confuse whenever you see this video. Okay, now see, now this value is what here? X. Okay, so can we find the X? After solving you will got the answer. 10 is cancelled, 10. Now 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja, and 8 4 ja 32. Now the answer is what here? 32. Getting? So X means 32 is their answer. Okay, next. Number 5. You can check, my dear. Okay, so first question is there here. If a man reaches office at 8:15 a.m. and 30 minutes late, guys, I'm reaching somewhere. Okay, this is the time 12, 6, 3, 9, 10, 11, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. This is the time. So I'm reaching somewhere, my dear, 15, 8:15. I'm reaching somewhere 8:15 and the late by 30 minutes. So common sense, you can give the answer. What is the actual time, dear? Means you reach somewhere 30 minutes late. Okay, 30 minutes late, and now the time is 8:15. So common sense, what is the actual time? 7:45. Am I right or not? Means 15 minutes this gap and 15 minutes before. So 7:45 is the time. Yes. Okay. Next, this is the question. An alloy having iron and copper in the ratio of 3 is to 1 is mixed with the equal quantity of another alloy having the iron and zinc in the ratio of 1 is to 1. What is the ratio of copper and zinc in the final alloy? This is the question. You can try yourself. This question is based on the mixture and alligation. Okay. So maybe this question is visible to you. Start. Maybe everything is going on proper. Can I check? Yeah, I hope so. It's going on. Yes, it's going on. Great. My dear, you can solve. This is the question. 3 is to 1 means first iron and copper. Iron and copper. How much ratio there? 3 is to 1. 3 is to 1. Mix with the equal quantity. Equal quantity means, can I say the equal quantity means, students, next is which one? Iron and zinc. How much ratio? 1 is to 1. So my dear, equal quantity means 3 plus 1 is become how much? 4. Means total is what here? 4. Now 1 plus 1 is how much dear? 2. So guys, equal quantity is not there. So for making anything equal, what we will have to do? So this is the 4 quantity dear, here the 2. So just this number will multiply by 2. Why? Because making equal. Why we are just multiply? Because making equal. Yes or no? Making equal. This is the equal. Yes or no? Because of the equal quantity mentioned. Okay. So now here the question. So guys, now this wait. Now this number is what here? This number now become 2. Now this number is also 2. So which part is asking? Copper and zinc. What is the copper here right now? 1. The copper will remain 1 because no copper is there in the second part. Okay, so copper will remain 1 means copper value is what here? 1. Now iron is 2. Now iron is 2 and 3 become how much there? Means iron part is right now 5 and zinc part is what here? Zinc part remain 2. Yes or no? Means zinc will remain 2. This is the answer. So guys, IJC will become 5 to 1. So what is the asking? Asking copper and zinc. Copper is what here? 1. Zinc is what here? 2. So 1 is to 2 ratio is the answer. Yes or no? Means first option is right. I hope so getting answer what I'm saying. I'm saying my dear, first mixture is given 3 is to 1. Okay. And the same quantity, another mixture is there, which is 1 is to 1 ratio. So just total quantity of the iron and copper is what here? Total is 4. Total is 4. And here is what here? 2. So now 2 should be like a 4. How you will make the 4 here? Just multiply with the 2. Means now it's become 4 here. Okay. So now this number become 2. Now this number is also become 2. Now addition, iron plus iron, this 3 plus 2 become how much? 5. You can see 5. Copper is remain single because no copper is going to be the added, so copper is 1. Zinc is how much dear? Now this quantity is 2 and zinc is 3. So 3 plus 2 become how much? 5. Now new ratio is become 5 2 is to 1 means where copper is 1, zinc is 2, iron is 5. Asking copper and zinc. So copper is zinc is 1 is to 1, 1 is to 2. Okay. Next, this is the question. The ratio of the total number of marbles with A and B is 2 is to 5. If A get 12 more marbles and B loses 10 if his marbles, the ratio of their marbles is doubled. What was the number of marbles in initial? This is the question. So let me check. Is there anyone live? No one is live. Private? How it's private? It should not be private. Edit. So it's private. No, it should not be private, my dear. So wait for a second. Okay. Yeah, this is the question, my dear. 8 number. Few question are more. The ratio of the marbles is given, my dear. A is given how much? A is to B. Can I say this number is 2 is to 5 is given? So students remember, whenever 2 is to 5 is given, whenever 12 A get 12 more, means guys you can use the option method for solving. How, Mithun sir? Guys, A get 12 more means suppose here if A have 10, first option, A initially A asking, suppose A have 10, means for making A quantity 10, so B must be how much, dear? 25. Yes or no? Means A, suppose A have 10 quantity, so B must have the 25. Same, A have 20, so A have 20, so B must have how much? 50. Yes or no? If A have 30, if A have 30, so B have how much? 75. If A have 50, guys, so now how much? 125. Getting or not? Now just you can apply the condition given in question. Means the condition given in question you can apply in the line. Is here. A get 12 more means 12 more means it's become how much? 32. And now B less 10 means can I say this number is become now, sorry, 22, my dear, this is a 22, this become 22, and now this become 15. Am I right or not? 12 more, 10 less. Yes or no? Yes. So is it double? It means, guys, double it means right now 2 by 5 is how much percent? As you know that 40%. Yeah. Double it means it's become 4 by 5. Double it means now it's become 80%. Getting my point? Means the question is saying whenever the condition is apply, A get 12 more, B losses 10. Now it's become 4 by 5 ratio. Means asking 4 is to 5 ratio. So which number? So guys, 22 and 15 is not becoming the 4 is to 5. So first option is wrong. Yes. Second, more. Can I say it's become 32 and now it's become 40? Yes or no? Because 10 less. So this number is 32 is to 40. How much? 4 ja and 5 ja. Am I right or not? 8 4 ja and 8 5 ja. So it's becoming. So can I say B option is matching here along with me? Now here you can also check. It's become how much here? 42. This one become how much? 65. It's not going to give the answer 6 is to 5. Same. 12 more means this 62, now 10 is 150, it's not matching, means B option is only right. B. Getting? I'm erasing you option, I'm erasing it clearly option because it should be clearly visible to you. So our answer is what here? 20. What is the answer? 20. Next, this is the question. So last year the Matthew brought two scooter, the first sold. थोड़ा सा वेट कर लेते हैं, देखे बच्चे आए हैं कि नहीं. तो कुछ चल ही नहीं रहा, बिल्कुल मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा. ओके 20 मिनट तो कर ही लेते हैं, ठीक है, 20 मिनट एटलीस्ट. चलो ये क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. होप सो क्लियरली विजिबल टू यू. द लास्ट ईयर मैथ्यू बॉट टू स्कूटर each. This year he sold both of them 30,000. Means scooter number 1 SP1 SP2 selling price number 1, this scooter price is what here? 30,000 rupees. Yes, this scooter price is what here? Also 30,000. Okay, and first he is selling, common sense, I have the shortcut method also for you. First getting 20% profit. So guys, 20% profit means, can I say this value is 1 by 5 and now 5 rupees piece becomes 6, first line. Second, 20% loss, can I say 1 by 5, now 5 rupees product become 4 rupees, and this is the CP line and this is the SP line. Yes or no? Means total is how much, my dear? Total means, guys, SP must be equal because selling is 30,000 each product. Okay, so when this 6 is also same as a 4, so for making 6 and 4 same, what we will do here? LCM. So what is the LCM of 6 and 4? It's become 12. So for making the 6 12, we will just multiply by 2. For making 4 as a 12, it's multiply 3. So guys, if you just multiply here the number 2, it's become how much, dear? 10. Yes or no? It's become 10. If you just multiply this number by 3, it's become 15. So means now here the 12 and 12. Means can I say SP1 plus SP2 is total price is 24 and CP1 plus CP2 is right now 25 rupees. Means I'm selling 24 paisa is 60,000 rupees. Why 60,000? Because each SP is 30. So it's become 60,000 rupees. Yes or no? Means 24 value is 60,000. So 25 value is how much, dear? 62,500 rupees. So guys, how much loss is there? Because my price purchasing is 62,500, selling is 60,000. So of course more than 2,000 loss are there. Where is the option? Loss is more than 2,000 is there. This is the option, the option. Any problem? If you problem, visit. I will teach you, my dear. ज़्यादातर नहीं कर सकता मैं, ठीक है? Any problem? One more time I'm repeating. 20% profit means 1 by 5. 1 by 5 means I just change my value here because you can just back it. Okay. Next, last one. This is the last question. Then finish. You will give the proper comment. Best wishes for the exam. Thank you so much, my dear. Okay. बाकी मुझे कमेंट करके बताओ, शेयर करो वीडियो को और बच्चों के साथ. Three people A B C D assign a task. However, the always work instead. चलो देखो तीन लोग हैं A plus B plus C. Okay. It's A and B. First day. Who will join here? A and B. Second day B and C. Third day A and C. And repeat it. And total work is completed in 12 days. Means total work is completed in 12 days. Okay. So guys, assume A's efficiency, B's efficiency, and C's efficiency is 1. Means because efficiency not given in question, so I just assume. Means each person efficiency is right now 111. So guys, if 111 are there, so means 3% doing in one day how much task there? 3. Yes or no, guys? Suppose A is also 1, B is also 1. Means in one day A plus B plus C will do how much task there? 3 unit. So now my work is completed in 12 days. Means total work is how much there then? 36. Students, I can complete, means 3% can complete 3 unit of work in one day. So my work is completed in 12 days. Means how much total work were there, dear? 36. Any problem? No problem, dear. Any problem? No. Then answer. So one person now asking what, dear? If they could complete it all together in 12 days, how long it will take? How long does it नाउ टेक देम. अब मुझसे क्या पूछा जा रहा है डियर, ये अगर ये तीनों साथ बैठ के करे 36 काम है तो मुझे कितना दिन समय लगेगा बताओ, बताइए बच्चे. A and C and the pattern repeated, if they could have completed all together, means guys all together, then the work is how much? 36 day. So how this work will be done? You can see. So guys, first day who is doing here? Means sir, first day, remember first day A and B completing, means A plus B how much work here in one day? 2. Second day who is doing here? B plus C how much work here? 2 unit. Same third day who is doing here? A plus C getting how much work there? 2. So guys, in 3 day how much work is completing? Means in 3 day if I just ask how much work is completing, 2 plus 2 3, 6 work, sir. So means how much we have to complete, my dear? 36. Means 6 is multiplied by the 6, 36, because 36 and 3 multiple of 6 also 18 days. Means 18 days we will complete our 36 unit work. Means answer is C option. Okay guys, please give the proper comment, like, subscribe the video and share with your other known person कि सर ये देख लो सर का क्वेश्चन है. Thank you so much. Best wishes for your exam. Have a good day, dear.